Once upon a time, in a quiet village beside a calm lake, lived a fisherman named Mr. Anderson. Every day he went out in his small wooden boat, catching enough fish to eat and selling the rest in the market. His life was simple, but his evenings were often silent. He had no family to share them with. One morning, Anderson decided to visit a nearby village to sell his fresh catch. The forest path was peaceful until he spotted something unusual. A man sitting under a tree, cradling a tiger cub. Anderson walked closer and asked, "Why are you here with this tiger cub?" The man looked exhausted and replied, "I have nothing left. My family hasn't eaten in 2 days. If you give me your fish, you can take this cub. I can't care for it anymore." Anderson hesitated. A tiger was not an ordinary pet, but the cub's soft eyes touched his heart. Thinking it might bring life to his empty home, he agreed to the trade. When he returned, the villagers gathered around. "You're making a mistake," some warned. "A tiger will always be dangerous." But Anderson assured them, "I'll raise it carefully. It will be my companion." He built a strong cage near his porch and fed the cub fresh fish daily. Over time, they became inseparable. Anderson even took it for short walks, and while some admired his courage, others kept their distance. Years passed. The cub grew into a strong, majestic tiger. Anderson often felt proud, believing his care had tamed the wild animal. One day, he left for the nearby village to sell his catch. On his way back, heavy rains triggered a landslide, blocking the road. It took 5 days before he could return. When he finally reached home, he found the tiger weak and hungry, sitting quietly in its cage. Overcome with emotion, Anderson opened the door and stepped inside. But days without food had awoken the tiger's true instincts. In a single tragic moment, it attacked the very man who had given it love and shelter. This story teaches us that love and kindness can bring people closer, but they cannot change who someone truly is. Just like a tiger's wild nature cannot be erased, some people may hide their real side for a while, but it will show when the situation changes. Wisdom is knowing when to care and when to keep a safe distance.